friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. Today's video we are going to learn how to read data from a JSON file in Playwright. So JSON is an external test data that helps us to make our test cases more flexible and easy to maintain. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fetch test data like username and password from a JSON file. I've been using this practice website. I will add the link to the description. So here we have a username and password. I have already created a JSON file. We are going to automate the login functionality using JSON file. So I'm going to give here username, practice is the username. I'm just going to copy it and that over here, comma, password. This has to be given in the key value pair. So the password is super secret password. All right. The content in the JSON file should be given in the JSON format. Now let us see how to read the data from the JSON file. I have already created a spec file, login.spec.js. The first line, we usually give this line where we input test and expect from Playwright. We know that test is for test cases and expect is for assertions. Now I'm going to give require double quotes dot slash test dot JSON. This line reads test.json file from the project folder. Here we have test.json. This is the JSON file. It reads the JSON file from the project folder. So it reads all data from test.json. Now I'm going to give JSON dot stringify. So I'm going to convert the JSON data into a string. And then JSON dot parse. Again, I'm going to convert the string into JavaScript object. Why do we use both parse and stringify? At first, I converted the JSON data into a string and then I passed it back into JavaScript object. That's because we need to create a clean copy of JSON data to avoid accidental modifications to the original data. And then I'm going to store this inside a variable just for understanding. I'm giving this name test data. Here I'm creating a test case to verify the login functionality. Test verify login functionality. First, we need to navigate to the login page using the URL. So I'm giving await page dot go to. I'm just giving the URL here. So this is the URL. Next, we are going to locate the username field. So I'm inspecting this. Okay, I'm just creating my own XPath. Name equal to So, yes, this XPath is correct. So I'm using this XPath. And then we are going to fill it using data from the JSON file. Fill test data dot username. Similarly, we enter the password by reading it from the JSON file. This is the password locator. And then I'm filling it with testdata.password. So the data is read from the JSON file, which is practice and super secret password. And then finally, I'm going to click on the login button. Just inspecting the locator. So hmm. All right, let us see if our test case is working. Okay. The test case passed successfully. If you want, we can also add assertions here. Await expect page.locator to have text. I will verify if we have landed into the right page. So for that, I'm going to verify if the text is present. This is the text here, and I have to find the locator for the text. Here. Okay, I'll execute this again. Perfect. The test case has passed successfully. So friends, I hope you have understood how we can read data from a JSON file and use it in a Playwright test cases. In my next video, we will meet up with a new topic. Bye.